We all know exercise is beneficial for our health. You hear all the time that you should exercise because it's got some amazing benefits for you. Do you know what this means exactly? There are a lot of people who don't know that exercise also has a positive effect on our mental health too. Firstly, exercise is proven to greatly reduce day-to-day stress, increase self-reported happiness level, and lower the level of sadness and loneliness, both in the short term and the long term. If you like today's episode, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon too. Exercise can also prevent depression and anxiety disorders, and in some cases can even be as effective as psychological and pharmaceutical treatments. A study also found that running for just 15 minutes a day or walking for 1 hour can reduce the risk of major depression by 26%. Exercise boosts your body's production of endorphins, which are the hormones that help you relax, feel more pleasure, less pain, and reduce the amount of stress hormone in the body called cortisol. In this video, we'll be discussing some amazing benefits of exercise that'll for sure help you keep motivated and continue exercising with full flow. Let's get started then. Number 1, decreases stress. Exercise not only decreases stress but also relaxes your mind. When you exercise, you increase the blood flow to the brain, and this enhances your body's production of norepinephrine, which is an organic chemical and neurotransmitter that helps to regulate stress. On the other hand, exercise also helps reduce the stress hormone cortisol. So when you're feeling too stressed or at the end of a hard day's work to exercise, you don't have to put on expensive clothes and go work out for an hour or half. You don't have to do all that. You can do something as simple as taking the stairs, or going for a 15-minute walk, or doing some push-ups in the corner of your room. Anything to get your blood flowing. So the number one way that exercise is a benefit for your mental health is it decreases stress. Exercise also helps your brain produce more dopamine and serotonin, which are chemicals responsible for making you feel happy. Also, activities like fitness classes and team sports are opportunities for social interaction, which is proven to boost moods and decrease the feelings of loneliness when it becomes a habit. Number 2, exercise decreases symptoms of anxiety and depression. Exercise also decreases symptoms of anxiety and depression. Here's what happens. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are your body's natural hormone that makes you feel good. It's like a feel-good hormone, and it gives you a natural high and it makes you feel less pain. It also makes you feel euphoric. So, exercise by releasing this hormone can make you feel happier. When you exercise, you also increase your release of serotonin, which is also a neurotransmitter that can make you feel happier. One study in particular showed that when people either ran for 15 minutes or walked for an hour, they had increased self-reported happiness. It was actively correlated with less depression. Here's another thing that many people don't know, and that's physical exercise also activates something called neurogenesis. This is a fancy word for the growth of new nerve cells, and that in and of itself is fantastic stuff as it repairs and makes our brains healthier, but it also helps with anxiety. A while back, Elizabeth Gold and her group at the Princeton Neuroscience Institute took a close look at those new cells and found that new cells that form as a result of exercising contained more GABA. GABA is the chief inhibitory neurotransmitter in your brain and nervous system that makes you feel happy and relaxed. Number 3, improved self-esteem and confidence. Exercise can improve your self-esteem and confidence. Who doesn't want to get high self-esteem when you exercise and you get more physically fit and you are more attractive? You tend to feel better about yourself. It boosts your confidence, and the endorphins in and of themselves can increase your confidence and your feeling of self-worth. After exercise, you tend to feel more focused, alert, and able to complete the tasks of the day more efficiently, thus improving your self-esteem. Exercise is about setting and achieving goals. The success of creating an exercise routine and sticking to it brings you a sense of achievement. When you achieve your exercise goals, you have more emotional stamina to take on your personal goals until you feel like there's nothing you can't do. So, exercise has a positive effect on your mental health because it increases self-esteem. Other than this, when you participate in group activities such as team sports, it may foster more socialization, which can also improve your self-esteem and confidence. Exercise makes you smarter. When you do aerobic exercise, you feed your brain with valuable nutrients and oxygen, improving cognitive function. Regular exercise makes your body stronger and lowers your risk for high blood pressure and chronic disease. It also helps to control weight and reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. Number 4, improved sleep. Insomnia affects about a third of all people at some point in their life, and it makes them either fall asleep or stay asleep. Sometimes it's a mild, short-term symptom, but sometimes it's severe and lasts a long time. Here it is considered a disorder. Sleep medication often has dangerous side effects and can be habit-forming. So these are generally recommended for temporary use only after the other options have been tried. This is where exercise comes in. Exercise is safe, can be done quickly and cheaply, and doesn't require the help of a high clinician. Also, exercise has been shown to improve sleep quality in several studies, and that exercise is recommended to improve sleep. Researchers looked at several studies that explored the link between exercise and best sleep. According to a study, 30 minutes of aerobic exercise or mind-body exercise improves overall sleep in adults. 4 out of 5 studies found that exercise improves sleep. Number 5, living longer. Everyone wants to live a healthier and longer life, don't they? Exercise not only prevents diseases, but also prolongs your life. Exercises like walking, jogging, push-ups, etc. are free to do and easy to fit into your daily routine. Several types of research reveal that exercise can help you to live longer. By doing exercise, you get rid of chronic diseases like cancer. In a study, researchers compared the lungs, heart, and muscles of inactive 70-year-olds, active 70-year-olds, and active 40-year-olds. They found that the active, older men and women had comparable heart and lung capacity and muscle strength of those who were 30 years younger. If you haven't been active or are thinking of increasing your activity, be sure to talk with your doctor. Based on your current health, your doctor may have recommendations for the type of activity and how much to get you started. That's all on today's topic. Which of these points helped you the most in motivating you for exercise? Tell us in the comment section. If you liked what you saw, do give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also press that bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till our next video, stay safe and healthy.